Hello beautiful soul, I have come out for a walk with my dog over here, and so I have written 3 positive notes, one of which says epic miracles are on the way for you. Other one says say this prayer. Other one says, hey girl, I hope you feel really good today. I hope universe blows your mind with epic miracles today. And other one says, the last one says, repeat after me. Mother Earth, take my mind, take my body, take my heart to heart moving connections, heart moving money, heart moving miracles, heart moving support, heart moving generosity. Rani, girl, come here. So I'm gonna hand over these notes to people who are wearing either green or pink. So, and I have written these notes also in pink and green color. This one's in green and rest of the two are in Rani. We are going, my dog wants to go, are in pink. So let's see. Oh, Rani, can you chill? Find out what you enjoy giving to the world. That's really beautiful. And it could be your creative creations, ask yourself, what do I enjoy giving to the world? And do not be surprised if the answer you received is that in form of feeling, like I want in this world to create the feeling of ease. Like sometimes people, when they are looking at sunset, they're feeling hopeful, or when they are in nature, they are feeling calm. So sometimes the answer you will receive, it will be in the form of, like, I want to create that feeling for the world. Here you go, you get to read it later. I gave the note to a girl who was wearing green, and that note said, Mother Earth, take my mind, take my body, take my heart to heart-moving miracles, heart-moving money, heart-moving connections, heart-moving love, heart-moving miracles, and heart-moving money today. And when I handed it over to her, there were 3-4 people around, and all of them looked at me like, what is this girl doing? Like, they were kind of shocked, because, and that reaction was, I know that because I used to have that reaction when I would see people doing something different. So when you start doing something creative, when you start to follow the guidance of the God and create your creative inspiration, you're